Detection of invasive plant species is vital for the management of natural resources and ecosystem protection. In this study, we demonstrate the utility of remotely sensed data and the newly developed software for assisted habitat modeling in predicting invasive species occurrence on the landscape.
Hi, I'm Tom Stohlgren, a senior scientist at the Natural Resource Ecology Lab at Colorado State University. This is Tamarisk. It's a native of South Africa, Asia, Europe, and parts of the Middle East, but it's not from around here. That is, it's not a native species to the southwestern portion of the United States or near La Junta, Colorado, where we are today. Tamarisk is unusual in that it's a facultative phreatophyte, which means it can live far away from a creek or right along a creek. It has a taproot that goes down upwards of 30 meters. So imagine taking 30 steps from here, and that's how far this taproot can go down. So it can withstand drought conditions a little bit better than some of the native species in the area. Without the tamarisk, there would be plenty of more room for native species that attract native butterflies and pollinators, as we see here on the rabbit brush. Here we have the tamarisk shrubs directly competing with native vegetation, in this case, a native cottonwood. Behind me, we have a very dense stand, a very large stand, maybe a square kilometer of nothing but tamarisk. By dropping leaves and with dead and dying branches, this is a real fire hazard. On the other side of the street, we have salix, we have a willow, which is very green and moist and much less prone to fire than the tamarisk on this side.